Hello everyone, I want to show you how to dark mode Facebook Messenger. If you're in your Facebook Messenger, you click on your profile picture at the top left. You click on dark mode. You turn it on. As you can see, I've currently dark mode my Facebook Messenger. And if you want to make your Facebook Messenger to work according to your phone system dark mode, you go back to that same place. You put it on system. My phone system is currently on dark mode. That is why it's on dark mode this way. So guys, that is it on how to dark mode Facebook Messenger. I believe the tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.